So we are here na, so we're at Lakeside Amusement Park. So that's the building. And it goes all the way down there. There's a lake on the other side. There's a roller coaster on the other side. That's the building. Lakeside Amusement Park. Ayla! Woo! Ang init. It's very hot today.
Yeah, it's because this floor, it's roofing.
This is fun.
Not dizzy?
No?
Good. Get her face when she starts.
Bye! Wow! She like,
I think she'd like it about this age. Starts to like it.
wow, it's getting faster!
Beep beeping.
As far as we know, Kelly's fine.
Yeah.
We can't tell, you know. She's just grits her little trim. She's so cute. Motorcycles go rum rum.
Sadly.
Sadly.